So guys, these pumpkins right here, these pumpkins, my garland, these little pumpkins right here, I got these from AC Moore a couple of years ago. And these inserts, fillers or whatever you call them. Those come from AC Moore too. The hay I got from Walmart on sale for $2.50. This year I had to wait till for that fall sale. That's me. I don't like to pay full price for many items. These pumpkins, candle holders, beautiful, gorgeous. I got these from TJ Maxx. In this basket, ew, stuff falling apart. This right here also came from TJ Maxx. Garland came from AC Moore, and these little garlands right here that I put to make it fuller, they came from the Dollar Tree. I didn't get a chance to get more this year, so I'm working with what I got. Okay, so that's it, guys. So, and I also got this little pumpkin right here from TJ Maxx. Where I'm gonna put her, I have no idea, but she's going somewhere in this house. And I'm getting ready to do the bottom part of my fireplace. These pumpkins right here, I got on sale for $2.50 a piece. Can't beat that. I was gonna get the big ones, but I wouldn't have anywhere to put them. Maybe next year. They are cute though. Like, I'm using them to decorate with. I'm not putting no candy or anything in these. Not for kids. I ain't putting no candy out. I have a little bowl, candy bowl, to put candy in. So when our friends and stuff come over, and the kids can have treats. Ooh. Yeah. I'm gonna leave that in there. You can't really see it anyway, so I'm just gonna leave that on there. Guys, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty they are. I'm gonna put these on top of it so it won't slide. It'll help that. I'm scared that's gonna fall off. So let's move it a little closer to the fireplace. And guys, I'm gonna show y'all something else too. My Uncle Bruh, he used to bring us a lot of stuff when I lived in Oklahoma. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? This big pumpkin. Thought about using it and turning it this way so you couldn't see that. You don't have to worry about seeing the face from the inside because it also comes with a top. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, I love decorations. And it comes with this little pumpkin. I don't have any babies over here. My kids are teenagers, so I have no idea what to do with this one. This pumpkin right here has the thankful receiver bears of harvest. I think that's gorgeous too. I can also turn this around and have Happy Thanksgiving, but I don't like that it's good. That right there. Guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna do a walkthrough. I might, because I'm telling you where I got the stuff from as I go anyway. I'm getting ready to dust, and I'll be using this Pledge lemon scent cleaner. This is what I use on my shelf. That pine sol have your whole house smelling good, and I also like to use it on my wood floor too. And when I run out of the Murphy, y'all, I use that pine sol. Flashing in the background is the TV, those LED lights on the back of the TV. It looks weird because it's it's going fast, the video. And this is the finished look of my shelf, and as you can see, that butterfly at the top was drawn by my daughter for Mother's Day for me, and I had to incorporate that into my fall decorations because it was orange. And as you see, I can't record without Thor. Owl looks spooky with the plants. I thought that was a perfect spot for her. On to the kitchen, and I also used the Pledge on my table. I hate I bought this tablecloth because it is too short for my table. So next year I'm gonna just go to Bed Bath & Beyond and get a tablecloth. That's where I usually go. They the only place I know that has tablecloths big enough for this table. Tablecloth in the table runner came from Hobby Lobbies. My garlands I bought from Walmart.com. My placemats came from Bed Bath & Beyond. Paper placemates, I bought them from Hobby Lobbies. Also the tablecloths and those plates. And those candles was one of my DIY projects, and I only used 3. These plates I also bought from Hobby Lobbies. Those pumpkin and leaf trays, I bought those from the Dollar Tree. My candle holders that I'll be putting on next also came from Dollar Tree. And the little tea lights that I'm putting in the inside of the candle holders, they came from Hobby Lobbies. Napkins came from Hobby Lobby too. This is my tablescape for Thanksgiving. I did this table Thanksgiving morning, early Thanksgiving morning. If you stay to the end, leave a like and let me know which decoration you like the most. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.